Well, the Children's Health Insurance Program provides health insurance to children of families that don't qualify for Medicaid but can't afford private health insurance. And right now, Washington State receives $79.9 million federal dollars to insure low-income children. But Washington Senator Maria Cantwell has secured a fix allowing the state to use a projected $94 million. Senator Cantwell is here. Thank you so much for being with us. This really is a $14 million coup, really, for the state of Washington.
Well, it's even more than that, because even though we were allocated that $79 million, because of the way the funding formula worked, we only used $44 million of it. So with this new law that has just passed the United States Senate, we're going to be able to provide more coverage for kids right here in Spokane. We think we'll be able to double the number of those who can't afford insurance in the high cost that it's gone up, but now we'll get coverage and we'll do better in preventing some of the illnesses.
You know, the cost of health care is just amazing to me. We're talking about, what, insuring another 6,000 children? This could help, potentially?
Well, I think here in the Spokane area you could see anywhere from 2,000 to 5,000 children, but in the entire country we are going to, be serving somewhere around 4 million more children. So we hope that tomorrow the governor will make the decision on exactly how the formula will work here in the state, but they'll have about $50 million more than we've previously had, recognizing the hard work that Washington State has done on the children's program. And here in Spokane you'll have a lot more families that now won't have to worry about whether they can provide access for their children.
And that's a horrible worry to have. Do I get my child's, the medicine he needs, or the visit to the doctor, or do I put groceries on the table? That should not be a choice. The question in this day and age has to be, where is that money coming from, though? So where do we get it? Well,
this particular program, the money has been there. Washington State hasn't been able to get access to their fair share of it. But this proposal that expands the entire program on a national basis is funded from the cigarette tax, and that's where the resources are coming from.
And I want to switch gears just a bit. Next week, the Senate starts debating the stimulus package. Do you already have your mind made up?
Well, I want to do something to stimulate our economy, but it has to be smart. It has to be an investment in things that will grow our economy and create jobs. And one of the things that will be part of that package will be about green collar jobs, infrastructure jobs, building our grid. And companies here in Spokane, like Itron and others, we hope will be able to take advantage of that new investment in energy infrastructure and create more jobs.
So right now, if you had to vote today, do you have your mind made up?
We voted in committee, so I've already had that luxury of supporting the bill as it passed out of committee. Next week it'll be on the floor. But it's very important that we keep the focus on job creation and investment.
All right, Senator, thank you so much for your time. I know you're very, very busy, so we sure appreciate it.